Hello everyone and welcome back to the class. And let me tell you that what we had done in this class till now. We started with set. Okay, we started with set, types of sets, representation. Okay, representation, and then when we move to different examples. Okay, so we reach here. Now today's topic is Venn diagram. It is a representation of offset through pictorial method. Okay, before I start Venn diagram, I would like to introduce few terminologies also here. First is universal set. Universal set, let's understand through an example. If I'm talking about numbers from 1 to 10, then its universal set will be right as okay. So this will be a universal set when we are talking about number 1 to 10. Okay, it will be represented by a rectangular shape. And set will always be represented by a closed curve. Mostly it is always represented by a circle. Okay, let's move forward. How to represent two different sets. I am writing here two different sets. First, to represent two different sets, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, okay, and B is equal to 4, 5, 6. We can notice here that no element is common between A and B. Nothing is common. So if I'm trying to write them in pictorial way, so just we need to draw a circle. 1, 2, 3, and it is A. And if I want to write B also in this way, so 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this is we present the set, two different sets. Now let's move to the next one, where I'm writing A in such a way that 1, 2, 3, okay, and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. Okay, now there is one number is common. Then how we will write it? If we want to represent this intersection B, then we will make two overlapping cells, in which we will write the common element and overlapping part, and rest to the belonging set. Here 1 and 2 belongs to A, so it is A, it is B, and this part is called A intersection B. Okay, it is clear? I hope so. It is clear to all. Let's make some space and let's move forward. Now, union of two set. Now we are trying. I'm going to tell you third number, union of two set of two sets. Union of two set. What we will do in this? See, A is equal to, I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and B is equal to 2, 3 and 4. Then how we will denote A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means the number that we have in both sets will be written only once. And how we will represent it into Venn diagram? See, 2, 3, 4, these are of the B, it is B and it is A, 1, 5 and 6. So this is the representation of two sets in through Venn diagram. Till now we discussed the intersection, union, and now I'm going to tell you the disjoint set. Which sets were called disjoint set? Okay, that's your fourth number, and here I'm going to tell you disjoint. Sets having no element or object in common are called disjoint set. As example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 5. If I'm finding here A intersection B, it is none. That's mean empty set. So such sets are called disjoint set. We have nothing in common. Okay. Now let's move to the next point, and that is complement of a set. What is complement? Complement is always noted in regard of universal set. If I'm writing here U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a set is equal to 5, 6, 7, then what is the complement of A? It will write as A complement, and only those elements will belong here who doesn't belongs to A and left in U. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is A complement and complement of a set. Okay, now let's move to the next term, that is a difference of two set. Most important thing, difference of two set. Difference of two set. It is just like right here, difference of two set. I will explain you through an example that how will you write the difference of two set as A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. Then A minus B will always be those number who belongs to A but not in B. Who belongs to A? Those number belongs to A and does not belongs to B. That's mean A minus B is just set that contains 1 and 2. Okay. So that's all about for today, and I'll come back tomorrow with few more examples on set and on all the terms that we discussed today. Till then, it's your duty to revise all the topics from starting till today. Take care and bye.